Hello guys, this is Daisy. Today I'll introduce a lighting industry game changer, LED flexible soft modules. Like regular LED modules, they have indoor, outdoor types with different sizes and pixel pitches to meet diverse needs. They have sizes like 320 by 160 mm, 256 by 128 mm, 240 by 120 mm, 250 by 250 mm, etc. And the pixel pitches for indoor from P0.9 mm to P4 mm. For outdoor modules, P2.5, P3, and P4 are mostly used pixel pitches, but their unbeatable flexibility makes them stand out. Made of ultra-flexible materials, they can be bended to a minimal radius of a few centimeters. No LED damage or light loss. Take a 320 by 160 mm module for example. The maximum bending radius of P1.25 is 165 degrees, and the maximum bending radius of P4 is 135 degrees. You can curve them along curved surfaces, fold them for easy storage and transportation, or even wrap them around objects of various shapes. Fitting designs like seamless columns, wavy arches, and 3D environments. Now, let's talk about their usage scenarios. In stores and supermarkets, they are formed to eye-catching commodity shapes. In entertainment, they are used as dynamic stage backdrops. In museums and science centers, they are mostly seen as 360 degrees spherical screens. On architectures, they are commonly used as curved facade lighting. You can see it everywhere. Plus, they have high brightness, energy efficiency, and a long lifespan. Truly a versatile, reliable solution. If you have any questions about flexible LED modules, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.